Ayan mga guys, ayan o, e-bikes and e-trikes are banned on main roads starting December 1, 2025. Tama lang naman kasi para maiwasan yung mga aksidente, no? So, sabi dito, nakaban nga. Sabi ni Senator J.V. Hercito, the designated budget sponsored for the Department of Transportation. Sabi naman ni LTO Chief Marcos Lacanilao, committed to ban the e-bikes and e-trikes on the major roads, stressing that those who will be caught would be soon be automatically impounded. So, may impound daw yung kanilang e-bikes and e-trikes. Kasi nga, nakikita kasi dito na hindi talaga lisensyado yung mga drivers at minsan kasama pa yung mga nanay daw at may mga kasama pa daw ng mga anak. So, napakadelikado daw. So, ayun. Ayun lang, mga loves. So, follow for more.